Finally,
Hey everyone! This is our last Expo crash course. Thank you for joining us. Today we'll be going over some last minute tips for the big day. This year Expo is at the Urban Center from September 10th to 11th. You can find more information in the description box or on our Facebook page.
First, proofread your resume. Look it over yourself, but also take advantage of resources like the ECAC resume review to have it scanned and edited. Also, have a friend or someone read it over again to catch any grammar mistakes or other mistakes you might have missed. Expo is only business casual, so don't worry. Make sure to wear nice slacks or a skirt, a nice top or button-up shirt, a jacket if you prefer, and comfortable but professional shoes. You're going to be doing a lot of walking and standing.
Prior to and after Expo, there will be a lot of networking opportunities, chances to practice speaking to recruiters, and workshops. Some examples are workshops that focus on resume writing and how to prepare for Expo presented by ECAC and WEP's Expo 101 workshop. The links for those dates and times will be in the description box below.
finally, look through the booth maps for each employer to plan out which ones you want to talk to first. This will help reduce stress and finding them once you get there. You can find a list of employers coming to Expo on the ECAC website, which we will also link below. Also, make sure you have copies of your resume on hand and keep them organized in a Padfolio.
That's it for this video. Remember, this is all about you, so focus on putting your best self out there. You've prepared, and now it's time to execute. For more updates regarding pre- and post-Expo events, make sure you're following us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you need more help or a refresher, you can find our previous 3 Crash Course episodes, which are linked down below. Thanks everyone, and best of luck.